Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing and isolating the problem so you fix the right layer. Clean the console with a leather cleaner and a soft brush to reveal true damage. Once done, remove trim and note any structural gaps or loose foam. Measure the area so you mix filler and dye accurately and set tools within reach. Do this now so repairs proceed efficiently. You'll save time and avoid rework later. You'll rebuild the surface by filling, sanding, and texturing. Start with gentle sanding to feather damaged edges, then apply a flexible leather filler in thin coats. This prevents sinking and cracking as it cures. Make sure each layer is fully dry before you sand it smooth and repeat. Once the profile matches surrounding leather, use a grain pad or light stipple to recreate texture so dye adheres evenly. This you finish by restoring color and locking in protection. Apply dye in multiple thin passes, blending past repair edges and checking against a scrap sample. Once uniform, let it dry. Then apply 2 to 3 thin coats of flexible leather sealer, curing between coats to prevent tackiness. Make sure seams and trim are reinstalled carefully. If cracking or lifting returns, inspect the adhesive bond and underlying foam. Resand and add filler where adhesion failed. Then repeat dye and sealer to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.